see you on our next match.
Man to ever come out of Canada. Next to Jimmy. Nice to meet you.
I believe Snake is one of the best wrestlers here. And here they come. Here from the ring. He's holding up the TV.
Something devastating looks like. Oh! Venus is about to get transformed. What could this be? Go! Oh, and a drop kick, folks.
Oh my! Snap suplex from the
Back to the matchup. Hammerlocks here exchanged. Oh, into a side headlock. Side headlock takedown by Snake.
Mashing it. What is this? Oh no! Oh my! What's the Hurricane Rana reversal? What a chance! Oh my! Vicious snake bang! What snake bang?
Oh, reversed by Gunner Strong.
Could be the
reversal here again. By the champ, and an arm drag takedown. Scoop slam here.
Oh! What's he doing here? Oh my! No!
What is this? Oh my God!
Oh my! Doku! Out of nowhere with the giant spear! Doku! Out of nowhere! Oh, good God!
Ring the bell, ring the bell.
Corners, folks!